back to normal voice.
And then these big silver guys are the Hawaiian shells. But we like to mess with people and say that they're the Hawaiian. A little bit less
No, I see right there.
But it's not pointing at
I'm like, I did a lot of artists, and I'm oh, wow! That one is really hard.
She has a really small tail. In between her back two fins, which is how we can tell that they're females. They have it died.
You're gonna jump out? You don't care about my purse?
Not that much. Are you gonna do the sunset?